Hello everyone. Today we will learn how we can create a single column or row using the new TOCOL and TOROW functions in Excel. These functions are only available in the Microsoft 365 version of Excel. First, we learn how to dynamically reference variable column ranges for efficient data analysis. From syntax to practical examples, master TOCOL's flexibility and streamline your workflow. Boost your Excel skills today, so now stop doing group data like this. Write function of TOCOL and then select array. The list is also dynamic. Now we explore how TOROW dynamically references variable row ranges for streamlined data analysis. From syntax to real-world applications, learn to leverage TOROW for enhanced productivity. Now you can elevate your Excel proficiency by simply using these functions. Write function of TOROW and then select array. TOROW function transformed the array or range into a single row. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.